Some of the theorists say that Planet X is a planet, whereas others say that Planet X is really a star. And on Nibiru, a number of people claim that Nibiru is a planet, and yet other people claim Nibiru is also a star, or could be a star. There's this claim out there that they're two different objects, that Nibiru is the name of the star and Planet X is the name of the planet next to it. Alternatively, some people say that Planet X is the brown dwarf star, which is basically the small star with Nibiru in orbit. If we put the names to one side for now, there seems to be the general consensus by the Nibiru Planet X theorists that there's a number of possibilities. There's a possibility of a star-like object and at least one planet, maybe more. It's claimed by some theorists that there are a number of planets around this brown dwarf star. Some people suggest that the legends of Nibiru and other gods of ancient times within Babylon and indeed beyond relate to some of these planets, and possibly even the inhabitants of those planets. Some theories relating to the planet or planets which may be inhabited speak of UFOs and alien abduction, as well as the ancient accounts of gods being connected to the inhabitants who come to Earth to collect resources whenever that mini solar system is on a close orbit.
We estimated that this thing is traveling around 3,500 miles an hour, okay? That was our estimate of its speed. Now, it has been picking up speed, and that's the reason why we think it's going to arrive early, because when it comes around the backside of the sun, it's got to double that speed in order to attain breakaway speed to leave the sun and not wind up orbiting it. It's never orbited the sun in the past that we know of, so that means that it's going to have to attain breakaway speed to head back out into space. Now, you look at the NASA videos, photos, and all this other crap those morons put on the internet. This thing is coming in, it's going to, as soon as it goes around the top of the sun, it's going to go back out into space.
Right. And
it's going to do this really fast. When it goes past us, it's going to go past us so fast that we'll almost have no time to get ready. That's my opinion, but, you know, just drawing it out on paper a few times and thinking about it, and I went, you know, if this thing picks up enough speed to make breakaway speed, then that means it's going to come past us. You know, this thing, according to what I was told, is that this thing is approximately 47,000 miles in diameter, you know, 4 or 5 times the size of the Earth, and it'll come past us, and we won't have a lot of warning, and we won't get to see it in the sky until it's on us. I think the NASA timeline is completely off. I think this thing's going to arrive much earlier than they say it is. You know, I know they're saying October, but, you know, if you look at the, you know, now, I was told that the poles are not shifting at 42 miles a year, they're shifting at 42 miles a day. And the reason is because this planet is rolling over to face this thing. Now, when it goes by, it's not going to push our North Pole away. It's going to grab our southern pole with its northern pole, and it's going to be like somebody kicked this planet in the ass. That's